Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with PowerPoint on a Mac, so enable the Command key workflow right away. Open PowerPoint Preferences and go to Keyboard to view or assign shortcuts. This makes repeated tasks faster. Next, check default command combinations for copy, paste, save, and slideshow. Once set, practice a few. Command-C, Command-V, Command-D for duplicate. These first actions let you test behavior immediately and ensure the command key triggers the expected PowerPoint functions without blocking other system shortcuts. Now customize and extend the command key use to fit your workflow. Open the keyboard settings and add custom mappings for commands like Format Painter or Align Center. Use Command with Shift or Option to create distinct combos. Make sure to avoid system conflicts by checking Mac OS keyboard preferences. Then, practice those shortcuts in normal view to edit and in slide sorter to reorder quickly. This stage saves minutes per session because you'll replace menu hunting with muscle memory tied to the command key. Finish by verifying command key behavior everywhere you present. Export or sync your custom keyboard setup so it's available on other Macs, and test presenter view and full screen slideshow to confirm shortcuts still work. If a command shortcut fails, check Mac OS system preferences for global key conflicts and disable overlapping shortcuts. Restart PowerPoint after changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if shortcuts behave inconsistently, quit any clipboard or keyboard utility apps, because they often intercept command sequences and cause unexpected results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.